Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Holly, and today I'm going to show you how to make a copycat recipe of Outback's Alice Sprigs chicken. And all you need is 3 to 4 chicken breasts, and I usually cut them in half just to make them a little bit thinner, and it cooks a little bit faster. So all I do is just take it and cut it down the middle. That way you can sort of butterfly it, I guess is a way of saying it. And you want to go ahead and use a medium-sized bowl because you're going to go ahead and add some honey and some Dijon mustard to this. This is what makes the sauce and the marinade. So take 1 cup of honey and add that to your bowl. And then after you do that, go ahead and add 1 cup of honey Dijon mustard. And you need 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. So I just went ahead and squeezed half a lemon to get that. And into a mixing bowl, you want to add to your honey and your Dijon mustard 3 teaspoons of vegetable oil or canola oil. Either one would do. Then go ahead and add your teaspoon of lemon juice. Now go ahead and mix this all up until it becomes a smooth consistency. It may take about 30 seconds or so, but just make sure it's all mixed together really well. Now you want to separate the marinade into different bowls because you're going to use part of it to use as a marinade to put on the raw chicken, and then you want to have some in another bowl and put that on the side for adding to the chicken and for dipping. But you don't want to reuse this part that I'm using right now. So go ahead, and what I did is take a ziplock bag, just a freezer bag, a gallon size, then put your chicken breast into it, and I do 1 piece at a time, and I will add the marinade over that, trying just to make sure each piece is coated completely. Now once I'm done with this bowl of sauce here, I will not use this again because that spoon has been touching the raw chicken, so you don't want to cross-contaminate anything with that. Now be sure to close this bag tightly so nothing leaks out of it, and just go ahead and mix the chicken around in the marinade just to make sure you're getting an even coating on the chicken. Now what I'll do is put this into a bowl just to ensure that none of this leaks out of the bag at all, and it also helps to keep the marinade on top of the chicken, if that makes any sense. It kind of keeps it coated. Now I'll put this in the refrigerator for 2 hours to marinate, and I will also put the extra sauce in the refrigerator until I'm ready to use it. Now take 2 tablespoons of butter, and you're going to saute a jar of sliced mushrooms, now while your mushrooms are sauteing, go ahead and sear the chicken breast on each side. You want it almost cooked, not completely, but almost. And I did this in a cast iron skillet, but you can use any pan that you have that would be oven safe. Now take some of the marinade that you have left over, and I separated those out into 2 bowls because you're going to use some for dipping and some for putting onto the chicken right now. And that's what I'm doing. Just, you want to go ahead and put this on top of the chicken, and I put a good bit on each one to make sure you get that flavor of this, because this is really what makes the chicken taste really, really good. Now add a little bit of salt and pepper to it just for taste. Put as much or as little as you like on it. Now you also need to have some cooked bacon for this. And what I did was add about 2 to 3 strips of bacon to each piece of chicken. After you add the bacon, go ahead and add as much of the mushrooms that you sauteed over the bacon. And then take some Mexican cheese, which is the 4 cheese blend, and put that on top. Now put your chicken in a 350-degree oven. Cook until your chicken is completely done and the cheese is melted. Then go ahead and add some fresh parsley flakes over the top, and that is it. And I hope this becomes a favorite in your household as it is in mine. And if you're interested in seeing videos like this, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell, and that will notify you when I post new videos. And if you would please give it a thumbs up, I would appreciate it. Thank you again for watching, and I hope everyone has a blessed day. Thanks again.